I'll tell you what.
You're all yelling at me because you called me 3 times. I'm walking somewhere.
So you answer your phone. It could have been standing there. Listen to me.
Why don't you answer your phone?
Just come back. Go
I
to the.
told you beforehand.
Start walking and meet me in Booth Park.
And then what time did you
Listen to me.
I told you.
Go. I'm in Booth Park right now. I'll wait. You want me to wait for you? I'll come back to the house. I'll come back to the house. Meet me at the house. Meet me at the house. You're gonna go with us. You're gonna go with us. Bye. Bye. You're gonna go back to the house and get him. Go down the hill over here and go get your brother. Come on, Nick. Can't go fast, man. There's a lot of junk here.